Welcome back to Shining Grades Online School. This is grade 7 integrated science, well simplified by use of multiple choice questions. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Welcome. Please note that this is just strand 1 and 2. Strand 3 and 4 are coming soon, so please don't fail to subscribe to this channel for you to be updated whenever those 2 strands are updated and more other strands. Thank you for watching. Welcome again.